Yeah, always eat more fruits. Fruits are very good for your health. It boosts up your immune system. So always make sure you eat more fruits for the benefit. Different type of fruits is healthy.
That's why we keep moving. Life for yourself. And so, whatever you do, that's why you keep moving.